Hey guys, my name is Rashid and I welcome you to a new episode of JFY Detailing. In this episode we will clean and detail an engine bay using our budget products and tools from video 1. As you can see in the close-up, the engine bay could use a good clean. We see dirt and grime on several parts. Now before you start, while you inspect the engine bay, keep a good eye on all connectors and visually look if they are well connected. If you see a loose connector anywhere, make sure you cover that up so no water or cleaning solution can get inside. This of course is also applicable to other parts. If you see something that you're worried about, just cover it up before you start to clean the engine bay. And by the way guys, always make sure your engine is cooled off. So the first step is to rinse the complete bay with water. I use pressurized water, but a garden hose will do just fine. Just make sure when you use pressurized water that you keep the nozzle a bit away from the parts to make sure you don't use too much pressure. And for all of you that are worried about using water, it's safe to use on all modern cars. Most connectors and parts have rubbers and gaskets to make sure they stay properly closed, so no water or any other liquid or moisture can get inside. Next question is, what product and tool should we use to perform the cleaning? It might surprise you a bit, but from our budget products, the wheel cleaner should do just fine. It's designed to break off dirt and grime, and that's exactly what we want. We will use it along with the wheel brush to loosen up all the dirt. So let's go ahead and spray the wheel cleaner on our engine bay. Now just use the brush gently and cover all the parts that are dirty. Take your time and make sure all the dirt is loosened up. After you're done, just rinse the whole engine bay with water. So here's a close-up of the engine bay. Although it's wet, it looks a lot cleaner. The next step is to dry all parts inside the engine bay. Normally I would use compressed air to dry all parts and finish it off with a microfiber towel, but since we use our products and tools from video 1, I will use one of the microfiber towels. So just take your time, try to dry all parts as good as possible. Here's a tip. Once you've dried all the parts but you can still see it's kind of damped, just continue to work on something else on the car and let the engine bay dry a bit longer. So for example, start cleaning your wheels or work on the interior. Now as you can see in this close-up, our engine bay looks clean and dry. So up to the next step. It's time to dress it up. So what product are we going to use? You might have guessed it, bumper spray. Bumper spray is ideal to make all your plastic parts pop. So let's go ahead and take our bumper spray and the clean microfiber towel. Just spray the bumper spray on all plastic parts and make sure you cover all the plastic. Once you are done, just buff it off with your microfiber towel. And once again, take your time, you want to make sure you cover all the parts and don't miss a spot. And here we go guys, we've just cleaned and detailed our engine bay. The engine bay looks clean, fresh and most importantly, it looks detailed. I hope you liked this video. If you do, you can support me by giving a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, hit the subscribe button. For now, thank you for watching, see you next time, take care.